All right, so this is just a little tutorial on how to edit and organize the photos in Lightroom. As you can see, if you've done the HDR processing, you pull them into Lightroom, and when you look at them in the library module in this thumbnail view, it's really easy to kind of spot the photos that were taken. Like, remember, the importance of these slates is really important. Like the photographers are instructed to, the first photo they take is going to be a slate, like this. All right, with the category or sometimes the address if it's a real estate listing, basically any information that you might need. A farmer's market, I'm not sure if you're familiar with that, but farmer's markets are real popular. It's just a place where local vendors set up, and that's something we have inside Beach Club. And then essentially when you see like another slate, okay, that's a new set of photos. So it's really easy to spot, like these photos right here, they are one group. So you could edit them and then export them together and label them, farmer's market. Now another thing, remember, if you want to find out where the farmer's market is, down here in the bottom, that's the Seaside Farmer's Market. If you need a location, the GPS is right there. So it's kind of like you got to be like a detective. Let's keep going. Like sweets and treats, that's like ice cream places. Ice cream and donuts, it's a big thing at the beach. But you can see, like, just these three photos are of that place. And look, in this case, you don't really need to do research where it is. That's the name of it, Five Daughters Bakery. So that's what, when you make a folder, like let's say you were going to export these, file, export, you would say Five Daughters Bakery, put like what it is, and then the category. That really helps. And then I'd also, for file naming, name it that. You can do it kind of however you want, but the whole point is organization. So, and then I would pick like a folder to send it to. This system will it'll change over time, but hopefully you get the drift, the gist that you're just, see, the slates are very useful. You can spot the groups of photos. And this is how the photographers shoot. It's only a few photos each time. It's not like a whole bunch, unless it's a real estate listing. Sometimes there will be, 25 or 30. But usually, it's just a few photos of each one. Beach accesses, that's a big thing. Everywhere in these areas, people want to know, how do they access the beach? Where's the closest walkway to get to the beach? So you'll see that a lot. And we go, the photographers go around to every single one, and we do photos, and then they're all geotagged. So that's real important to use these geo coordinates. That'll really help you, especially when you're loading into the server. There's bikes, coffee shop, grocery store, so all these different categories that you'll get the hang of it. All right, let us know if you have any questions.